Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the updated Gcash app and confirming your registered mobile number. This matters because recovery links and codes go there. Once done, scan your ID and take a selfie holding the ID. Make sure lighting is even and text is legible. Then collect transaction screenshots or any error messages that show the report status, so you have evidence ready. These immediate steps speed up verification and reduce back and forth with support. You now go into the Help Center, choose the specific issue category, account access or reported account, and start the form. Attach the ID photo, the selfie with ID, and the transaction screenshots. Explain what happened in 2 to 3 sentences, including dates and amounts. Make sure file names are clear, then submit. Once submitted, record the reference number and timestamp. This helps when you follow up or escalate, because support often prioritizes verifiable, well-documented requests. You should expect a response within 24 to 72 hours. Meanwhile, monitor Help Center messages and your email. If you receive a request for more info, reply promptly with the reference number and the exact files they requested. If there is no response after 72 hours, send a polite escalation including the reference number, date submitted, and a concise summary. Troubleshooting tip. If verification is rejected, retake the ID and selfie with brighter light and higher contrast. Then resubmit immediately to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.